Hello friends. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your account on Mitrade. After registration, in this section, if you want to change your name, you can do so by clicking on Edit. Here, you select the type of document you want to use for verification. You carefully confirm the website's rules and thoroughly click on Next. You scan the specified code with your mobile phone and continue these steps with your mobile phone. And after completing this process with your mobile phone, you will check your account status. You log into your account, and to check the status of your verification, you click on your notifications, and in this section, you'll see that your account has been verified. Good luck and best wishes.